Hey guys, I'm Emma.
And I'm Audrey.
And we're going to show you how to choose the perfect water fountain and how to rate them.
So usually the factors that rate them are accessibility, taste,
and the temperature.
These are the three rules that allow you to choose a perfect water fountain.
Yeah, and everybody's different, so you may like a different water fountain better than other people.
But it's just better to choose a generalization of which water
So we're
fountain
going
you
to show
like
some
better.
examples.
See, this water has a good temperature and a good taste, but it's kind of hard to get to because the water pressure isn't enough. So I'd rate it a 4 because it's a good water fountain. It just needs a little bit more water pressure.
So now we're going to try to find another perfect water fountain and hopefully a bad one so you know what a bad one's like.
Oh, that's already horrible. Look at that. There is almost zero water
Now let's
pressure.
try this one.
Well, now we've...
It's mediocre. Let me tell you why these water fountains aren't good. So this one, the water is not accessible. And it's really warm. Here, it's kind of accessible, not hot, but like it's also really warm. But it's a safety hazard. You could choke on this.
And all water fountains have that.
Hey Alex, what do you see in a good water fountain?
I like crisp water and a steady stream.
Ah, nice. Well, what do you see in a great water fountain?
It's cold and it doesn't taste good like all other water fountains.
What do you find in a perfect water fountain?
I think it needs to be very clean. The water fountain obviously has to look old because the new water fountains taste horrible. It needs to be cold, as cold as physically possible. And if you walk into a water fountain and somebody else is already there, you know it's good. Because
Okay.
nobody else is going to stop and not drink out of a good water fountain.
What do you find in a perfect water fountain?
Money I can take from it?
Okay. What do you find in a perfect water fountain?
I don't drink out of water fountains because I have my hydro flask. And
Legend. I'll tell you what to say. What do you find in a perfect water fountain?
I find that in a perfect water fountain, the taller one is colder than the shorter one, but the shorter one is always colder because the colder water gets the first priority.
What do you find in a great water fountain?
I find that the shorter one sucks because you have to bend down way lower.
Alright, folks, that's it for today.
Hopefully you learned something new.
So next time you could rate your water fountains.
Hi!